Alright, hey guys, it's Ollie here, and today I'm going to be telling you guys how to get any shoes, Supreme, or whatever item you want manually the easiest way possible. Alright, so I made a video back on my old channel about how to do this generally, but it was more bot inclined, and people who aren't too technologically oriented, they probably wouldn't have a clue about proxy servers, all of that kind of stuff. So I'm making this video for the people that watched that, left a dislike because I talked about bots, and I kind of want this to be a little bit more general and easier for somebody who is just getting into the sneaker game to understand. So essentially there's a couple things that you can do for this. I've got a tab open on Chrome right here. This is essentially the method, I guess. Kind of a service that you have to purchase, a worth it investment if you are trying to get anything for retail or whatever. So I'm just gonna show you this really quickly. This is a service that I think is trusted. They have one of the most valuable services on the market. Say that, I mean, like, it's only $50 a month and you get a lot of stuff with it. Their focus is to help new people to the game secure stuff. Inside a group like this, you'll get all this stuff listed on this photo right here. So as you can see, they've got a lot of stuff, and to somebody who's extremely new, you probably won't have a lot of knowledge on what this means here. Essentially, I'll just go through it. So release guides, these are for people that they might do manual release guides, not sure, but these are for people, they post like keywords and stuff like that, or methods to get a product that's hyped and about to release. Giveaways, that's obviously pretty self-explanatory. They'll give away stuff like, I don't know, maybe a bot to rent for a release or something like that. Early information, obviously there's a group with a lot of people in there, so some of them are bound to know some things that you won't, so they'll be able to tell you some information about a drop, anything that's up and coming that will be releasing soon. Also just any ways or methods to get something. So proxy discounts, this is more for people who have a bot. Obviously if you know what a proxy is, you'll know what a proxy discount is. Mesh scraper, so mesh is like the website type of foot patrol and stuff like that. Scraper will pick up the products on the website before they release and give you a photo of them and the product code. Nike sneakers monitor, this is for people, obviously if you're from Australia, we don't have Nike sneakers yet. This is for like UK, EU and US. It just monitors when products will go back in stock. That's essentially how you are getting the best chance to cop with a monitor. So on this photo here, we can see they do have Shopify monitors, Funko monitors, Supreme, Adidas, also monitors for certain bots. Let's just say Cybersol restocks. I have a notification for that in Discord if you don't know what Cybersol is. It's one of the most coveted sneaker bots in the industry right now. All-in-one monitor, which is just like monitoring a bunch of random sites. Site list, this is also very essential if you're trying to cop manually. It'll give you every site that's releasing the product, tell you what time it is, give you a link and stuff like that. 24/7 support, so that's just like, obviously you can ask anybody in the Discord and they will be able to help you with anything that you're having trouble with, or you've just got any general questions. Discord tools, this could be like a StockX price checker and stuff like that, maybe even a HQ trivia life bot. And here we've got trivia bots. If you don't know how to make your money back for the group membership with any of this stuff, one of the easiest ways to do it is with a trivia bot. So basically, if you don't know what HQ Trivia or Cash Show is, it's just like a live trivia game show, which is an app, and if you get all questions right, you start earning money. So it can range, prizes are like, I don't know, like 50 cents to sometimes like 90 depending on the games. I've won HQ a couple times before, and it's honestly, it can pay for your membership if you stay committed to doing it whenever the bots are live on the Discord group. All this information's well and good, but like, how do you guys go about securing yourself a membership in this? As you can see on the website right now, they're actually out of stock. That price is there. If you want to buy it right now for 1K, go right ahead. You'll probably get your money refunded, but so I just want to go onto their site quickly because it actually gives you a bit more information which I didn't see just before. So when I was talking about Discord bots, they do have the StockX price and the trivia bots that I said. They've also got all this other stuff. So address jigging, which is like, say your address is 123 Fake Street, it'll change it to say ST instead of the actual word street, which is like good for multiple orders from the same address. Sneaker bot resale checker, which just checks the resale on current sneaker bots. Funko price checker, if you don't know what Funko is, this is what Funko is. You've obviously seen them before if you haven't been living under a rock. Goat price checker and StockX price checker, which is just, you can see the current price of items that you potentially secure, or if you want to buy a shoe when it potentially hits a low price. Video tutorials, discount or free slots. If you don't know what a slot is, it's essentially somebody gets your information and they check out the shoe for you using either a private script or a bot. These are really good. I've had success with slots in the past. Free carts, which is like on websites such as YME Universe and Adidas. They will put the shoe into the cart, they'll give you the login info or like a cookie to input into your browser, and then it gives you the cart. Group buys, this is also really good if you're new to the game. It can help you secure potentially your first bot, some proxies. It can be a range of things in a group buy. It's where everybody in the Discord gets together, they check the interest of who wants the product, and then you all put in money and you basically privately purchase something that would otherwise be out of stock. So the other stuff, site lists, early information, resale, predictions, legit check channel, that would be pretty good if you're trying to buy a pair of shoes or like an item of clothing and you don't know if it's legit or not. They've got experts in there that can help you determine if it's legitimate or not. And they've got all these monitors and you guys can go read through those yourself, search up the sites if you've seen them before. You might not actually have even known of these websites before, but these can be very good spots to buy the items that you want. And this is only $50 a month. It says $1,000 there, but it is $50 monthly. And if you are committed in this group, you can make that money back, and you most likely will. As you can see, if you go onto their Twitter here, which is just twitter.com/notify, they've got a lot of success. If you just keep scrolling down, you can see everything. Like they just sold all in one group buy, which is the bot that I've got down here, if you can see that. Really good, guys. You actually don't want to miss out on a lot of this. So the quicker you get in, the better. I'm going to leave a link to them down in the description that you guys can check out. There are other alternatives for monitor groups and such. I just personally think that Notify would be one of the better ones out there at the moment. It's just well-rounded. I mean, you can't really go wrong, and they've also got a lot of success already. And I think they've only been out for like 1 month. So I'll leave a link to the website and their Twitter down below. So if you guys had any questions with this video or in general and you wanted me to clarify a couple things, please leave it in the comments down below or click my Twitter in the description. Just ask me a question there. I'll obviously respond to it. Also on the website, they've got this front page, which you guys can read if you want to get a quick rundown of the service. Even if you don't choose to go with Notify, there are a couple alternatives, but they all still do float around that $50 a month price range. There are some which are a little bit more than that. If you're looking for value for money, if you are new, you don't know much about these groups, 100% this would be your best place to start. And if you can't get in here, tweet at me and I'll be able to help you guys out with a few other recommendations of mine. But yeah, this is, if you guys actually wanted to, I'd take this very seriously and you can be in the money right here. There's a lot of low-key stuff that you would have not known about until you join a group like this. That's how I got a lot of my knowledge. I've been in groups like this for a couple months now, and yeah, they've helped me out a fair bit with stuff that I've had trouble with, technical difficulties with bots and stuff like that, or just stupid questions of mine. So as I've said a couple times now, links in the description. If you guys enjoyed this video and it did help you out a little bit, leave a like, comment whatever you guys want to comment. Subscribe, this is my new channel. I'm going to be uploading a lot more frequently. Yeah, guys, just stay subscribed to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I'll go a little bit more in depth if you guys want me to. And yeah, it's been your boy Ollie, and I'm out. Peace.